Right, so I want to talk about deals now. Deals are things that you've got that you're trying to sell. And it couldn't be anything. It can be shirt sales, it can be merchandise sales, obviously, membership sales, whatever you're trying to do, whatever you're trying to sell is in your deals. You know, if you've got a club and you need to make money, it might be sponsorship sales. It might be, you might go to one of your contacts, might be, what would we do? Let's go with a new contact. We're going to go, yeah, we'll go a new contact. We're going to say, what we're going to say, I'll tell you what I usually do. Let's go to Wikipedia, just so I don't pick anybody's name. And go random article. Raiders of the Lost Car Park. There is actually a... I'm trying to find a person's name. Eli Moshevitz. Oh, let's use him, right? You just see how I pick people out, right? So I'm going to go Eli Moshevich. First name Eli, last name Moshevich, right? Account name. Give me a company now. 33 Free Monday. Surimana. Come on. Here we go. Oh no, that's a bit weird, isn't it? Dimitri Krakos. Here we go. Stort's Brewing Company. So, it's a new company. A new company will be created, right? It works for them. Vendor name you're probably not going to put. I'm going to put in Eli at paulnicholson.com, just in case there is an Eli out there, and I'd put an email in that goes. I don't need to worry about too much other information at this time. I can put email, I can put Twitter, I can do all sorts, right? But I'm going to create that contact. And what I want to do is create a deal for this contact. So I want Stores Brewing Company to sponsor the first team next year. So I'm going to create a deal. I'm going to go add deal. Stores Brewing Company, deal name, first team sponsorship, right? Amount. Sorry, we're going to go up here for amount. We're going to say it's 1,500 quid a year. However that much it is. And you might say first team sponsorship next 3 years. I'm going to tie this person down to a 3-year deal. So the actual price up here would be 4,500. So it's worth more to you, isn't it? And I'm going to try and close it before end of next month. The type, it's a new business. The stage is needs analysis. I need to look into it. You can change these stage names. I'm going to show you how to change these stage labels soon. Next step, make the call. And this expected revenue is off the probability of the stage. As the stage goes up, the probability goes up, so the value comes up. So when you know you're almost at proposal, it's just trying to work out how much is in your pipeline at one time by giving you a probability of closing the deal. I think personally you should be able to. I don't know if you can. Oh, you can change it. You can change it. So I'm pretty sure Eli is going to sign off on this. So I'm going to make that a 90% probability, even though it's at need analysis stage. Description, talk to Eli about confirming the sponsorship deal, right? And save. So now I've got in my CRM, in my contacts, I have got a company that I'm going to work with a £4,500 deal that is in my pipeline. Here it is, look. And now if I've made the phone call and I've moved it forward, I can just drag it across. So now it's sitting to ID decision makers, but I know that Eli is the decision maker, so I'm into the quote stage. I'm into sending him a quote for that. And in the next video, in the next lesson, we'll talk about creating tasks, creating what we're going to do next with this contact. All right. So that is understanding a little bit more about deals. Do I need to tell you anything more? You know, you've got this pipeline. Here's your pipeline as well. So you're trying to get them to closed won, right? Closed won. is the thumbs up, you've got the deal. So this is your sales team. This is your salespeople trying to make deals. If you've employed somebody to sell things for you, you know, you can keep an eye on their deals. You can keep an eye on what they're doing. Just want to make sure I've told you everything about deals. I know this is a bit of a fly through. If I ever miss anything on these videos, and I'll put in the introduction video, just write a comment on the video and I'll add a video to the lesson. But deals are very simple. Anything you've got in your sales pipeline becomes a deal. You want to close and win that deal. If you get to a point where you close, because what you want to really do is close and win, and then tag why you've won it. Close and lost. Close lost to competition. They went to the other sports hall, or they went to the other team. You know, reason for loss. You want to type in, you know, went to other team. So when if you lose 10 deals of 20, but you've put a tag overpriced, said we were too expensive, you could do the other company for less, you're going to start questioning your pricing, or you're going to start questioning why you're not closing deals. And that is what you want to get to. You want to get to a point where you're obviously getting people signed off, and you want to track why people sign off on you as well. So that's deals. As I say, any questions about it, you will have questions about this, ask them in the lesson and I will jump all over it.